Denarii Esports Guide. Web3 is a term used to refer to the next generation of the Internet, which is characterized by decentralized applications, smart contracts, and blockchain technology. Web3 technologies are transforming the way people interact with each other, as well as with businesses and organizations. The main components of Web3 are distributed ledger technologies, DLT, such as blockchain, decentralized computing, and peer-to-peer networks. DLT is a type of database that is shared and maintained by multiple computers instead of a single central server. This makes the system more secure, reliable, and resilient. Decentralized computing is a system of computing power that is distributed across multiple computers. This allows for more efficient use of computing resources and increased scalability. Finally, peer-to-peer networks are networks of computers that communicate and share information with each other without the need for a central server. Web3 also enables distributed applications, DApps. These are applications that run on a decentralized network and do not require a central server. This means that they are much more secure and resilient than traditional applications. Additionally, these applications are often open source, meaning that anyone can contribute to their development. They also can run on multiple platforms, making them more accessible. Smart contracts can be used to facilitate transactions, create and enforce agreements, and more. DLT, decentralized computing, and peer-to-peer networks provide a secure and reliable infrastructure for DApps, which can be used to create smart contracts and facilitate transactions. These technologies are transforming the way people do business and creating new opportunities for innovation. Developing Web3 applications is the process of creating applications that utilize the new technology and protocols of the decentralized web. Web3, also known as the decentralized web, is an emerging technology stack that is built on top of blockchain technology and provides a secure, open infrastructure for the Internet of Value. Web3 applications are designed to be faster, more secure, more efficient, and more reliable than traditional web applications. When developing Web3 applications, it is important to understand the components of the Web3 stack. Additionally, Web3 applications are built on top of a blockchain, which ensures that all data is immutable and tamper-proof. This allows for greater trust and transparency between users and makes it easier for developers to create applications that are resistant to censorship and fraud. Deploying Web3 applications is a crucial step in the development process. It is the process of making sure that the application is properly configured and ready to be used by users. There are several steps to deploying a Web3 application, which are outlined below. The first step in deploying a Web3 application is to set up a web server. This involves configuring the web server to accept requests from web browsers and respond with the appropriate web page. Additionally, the web server should be configured to run scripts and applications, as well as provide access to databases and other resources. Once the web server is set up, the next step is to deploy the application itself. This involves uploading the application to the web server, setting up any necessary databases and configuring the application. The final step in deploying a Web3 application is to test it. This is the process of making sure that the application works correctly and that it functions as expected. It is important to thoroughly test the application to ensure that there are no bugs or errors that can cause the application to not work properly. Additionally, it is important to test the application on different devices and browsers to make sure that it is compatible with all of them. Once the application is tested and working as expected, it can be deployed and made available to users.